Have you ever tried to finish a smart home project only to find your microcontroller is just too big for the enclosure? It is a common headache when you are trying to keep things clean and minimal. That is where these XIAO ESP32-C6 boards come into the picture. I wanted to see if their tiny form factor could actually simplify my latest IoT setup without sacrificing functionality. XIAO ESP32-C6 3PCS development board appears as an option in the computer components space. The important part is whether its role matches your actual use, not just whether the title sounds promising. The goal is a balanced decision based on visible facts, not a forced recommendation or exaggerated claim. The set comes with 3 boards, which is perfect if you are working on a small network of sensors. Having a few spares or multiples for a multi-room project makes the price point feel quite reasonable. What really caught my eye is the inclusion of 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi 6 and BLE 5.0. It is a nice step up for connectivity, especially if you have a lot of devices already competing for bandwidth in your home. If you are already familiar with the Arduino ecosystem, the learning curve here is quite gentle. It integrates well, which saves a lot of time when you are writing your sketches and testing your sensors. I am thinking of using these for simple home automation, like motion sensors or ambient light monitors. Because they are so small, you can tuck them away almost anywhere without making your room look like a laboratory. Of course, always consider your power requirements. Since these are low-power devices, you will want to make sure your battery or power supply setup is optimized for the specific task you have in mind. Before you pick these up, just check your pin requirements. Ensure the C6 chip's features align with the specific sensors or displays you are planning to use in your circuit. The listed price is $31.87, but final cost can change with variant, tax, promotion, stock, and shipping. Confirm the current checkout details before ordering. The goal is a balanced decision based on visible facts, not a forced recommendation or exaggerated claim. With the current price listed at $31.87 and a significant discount available, it is definitely a practical option for makers. It is worth checking the link below to confirm the current price and stock status. If you are looking to streamline your smart home builds, these might be a great fit. Check the details, compare them with your needs, and see if this is the right upgrade for your next project.